Hello and welcome, all the loss of viewers. As you know, here we discuss reportable and significant recent case laws and judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court of India and various other high courts across the country. The idea is to make the law simpler and more understandable and to provide you with the judiciary's legal perspective on various interesting topics. Imagine dedicating your entire life to building a home, pouring your soul and heart into every brick, every corner, every little detail, only to find yourself abandoned and helpless by the very people you trusted the most, your own children. Yes, it's totally heartbreaking scenario, isn't it? It's a thought that no parent should have to face, yet it happens all too often in our society. But what if I told you that the law is on your side? Yes, indeed. Today, we are having a look into a powerful piece of legislation, that is, Section 23 of the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act 2007. This law is a vital safeguard for senior citizens, enabling them to reclaim their properties if they find themselves mistreated or neglected after transferring it to their children. Can you believe it? This means you don't have to suffer in silence anymore. Now, you might be wondering how this works. Well, throughout this video, I'll break down the essential aspects of this law with a reference of the real life case decided by the Supreme Court on 2nd January 2025. Yes, it's a recent case law. Whether you are a senior citizen facing challenges in your golden years, a legal enthusiast eager to learn about the area of law, or simply someone with a heart who values justice and family, this video is a must watch for you. Today we are discussing the case of Urmila Dixit versus Sunil Sharan Dixit and others 2024. The final judgment of which was delivered on 2nd January 2025, being one of the reportable judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court of India. I am giving link of the judgment in the description below. Do check it out. Our story in the present matter revolves around a mother and her son. A mother who selflessly gifted her hard-earned property, trusting that her son would take care of her. But things didn't go as planned. Here are the facts. The mother purchased the property in 1968. She executed a gift deed in favor of her son on 7th September 2019. The deed clearly stated that the son was to maintain her. To reinforce this, the son signed a Vachan Patra, that is a promissory note, promising lifelong care for both his parents. So this was an arrangement. But soon after, cracks started appearing in this arrangement. Within a year, things took an ugly turn. Instead of the love and care she expected, the mother allegedly faced neglect, mistreatment, and even threats regarding her own home. Left with no choice, she took legal action. On 24th December 2020, she filed an application under Section 23 of the Act before Subdivisional Magistrate. Her plea was very clear. Number 1, the gift deed should be cancelled because the son had failed in his duty to maintain her. Number 2, she sought protection from further threats regarding her own home. The legal battle had begun. Round 1. In round 1, the case was presented before the subdivisional magistrate, and after carefully reviewing the evidence, the verdict was in favor of the mother. The gift deed was declared null and void, meaning it had no legal effect. But as expected, the son wasn't ready to back down and accept this decision. So here comes the round 2, son's appeal. Not accepting defeat, the son took his fight to the collector, challenging the earlier order of subdivisional magistrate. However, once again, on 25th April 2022, his appeal was dismissed by collector. It seemed like justice was prevailing in favor of the mother's right. Round 3. Determined to continue his battle, the son then filed a writ petition before the High Court of Madhya Pradesh. A single judge bench reviewed the case and upheld the decision made by the lower authorities, ultimately dismissing the son's claim once more. It looked like things were going badly for him. So, this was the third time a son was defeated. Round 4. But wait, there was yet another twist. The son, not willing to give up, filed a writ appeal. This time, a division bench of the High Court took another view at the case and ruled in his favor, declaring the gift deed valid. What? This surprising decision overturned the mother's earlier victory. What's now? The situation had changed dramatically, leaving everyone wondering what might happen next in this ongoing legal battle. So, the final round, where the Supreme Court steps in. With no other option available, the mother took her case to the Supreme Court of India. A division bench reviewed the case and focused on two critical factors. Question number 1. Was the property transfer made with a clear condition of maintenance? Was the son obligated to maintain his mother? Question number 2. Did the son fail to honor that obligation? The answer to both was yes. And so, based on this, the Supreme Court cancelled the gift deed and restored the property to the mother. But that's not all. The Supreme Court went one step further. It ruled that authorities under Section 23 of the Act have the power to order eviction and restore possession of the property to the senior citizen. Honorable Justice Karol, who authored the judgment, made it very clear that senior citizens must be protected from exploitation, a true victory for justice. So, what does this judgment mean for you? Let's break this down into key takeaways that you should remember. Point number 1. Senior citizens can revoke property transfers. If you have given away property under a condition and that condition is broken, you can legally take it back. Point number 2. The authorities have eviction powers. Authorities and tribunals can not only cancel the transfer but also order the eviction of the transferee. Point number 3. Faster relief for the senior citizens. This law is designed to provide a quick and effective remedy for senior citizens, ensuring their well-being is not compromised. Point number 4. The court favors senior citizen. When interpreting such laws, courts take a liberal, elder-friendly approach to prevent injustice. Final thoughts. At the heart of it, this case is not just about legal rights. It's about justice, dignity, and respect for those who have spent their lifetime building homes and families. If you or someone you know is facing a similar situation, don't stay silent. Seek legal help and remember, the law is on your side. If you found this video informative and insightful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do you think this law is effective? Have any questions or opinions? Mention in the comments below. We'll definitely try to answer your queries. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered, take care.